Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back to another ARTlapse. On this week's ARTlapse, we're going over the Magikats character, Lavender Lovecraft's one and only fairy dog mother, Angel. So if you aren't aware of Magikats, Magikats is a webcomic that I'm currently working on. And Magikats, simply put, is about magic, cats, and friendship. Lavender Lovecraft is a young human witch studying under a kooky, crazy cat, Cinni Winni, in the cat kingdom known as Grimalkin Woods. Follow their adventures as they discover the secrets of the land of Cha, the mystery behind Mojo Runevale, the beliefs towards magic use which separates the kingdoms, all the while trying to escape the clutches of eternal night. Alright, so Angel is one of the first characters that Lavender comes across in terms of a crazy kooky animal. And she is her fairy dog mother, honey. She protects her, guides her, is her guardian, and she is attached to this mushroom necklace pendant that Lavender was gifted from her nanny. And that's how she's able to pop up in Lavender's life. So Angel is based on the family dog my family had, who was my dad's dog, growing up. She was a Bichon Frise. Her name was also Angel, and we got her when I was about 8, and she was mainly my dad's dog, but you know, her and I had a bond too, and it felt very like sisterly and guardianly, like she would watch over me and protect me and spend time with me and have fun with me. And when we lost her growing up, it was a super difficult thing. I think it was like one of the first times I'd really experienced loss at that level with another being that I was close to and loved dearly, you know? So I always wanted to keep her story alive, keep her memory alive, keep the love I have for her alive, and I wanted to include her in a story one day, but I had no idea what. All I knew is that I had to include her as a character in a story. So when Cinni had passed and I was coming up with the idea of Magikats, it slowly started to become a project where I used it as a way to honor all the pets and animals that I've come across and had a bond to or remember in some way, and they were a part of my life. So like all the animals, all the characters, they're all based on real living versions of themselves. I always thought of Angel as like this sort of nanny, caregiver, like Mrs. Potts from Beauty and the Beast type archetypal character. So when I'm writing her voice and stuff, that's kind of the voice of the character I have in my head as I'm writing the dialogue for Angel. Is she's just this like old, wise, loving, mythical creature watching over Lavender, but she's also got a little spunk in her too. Alright, here she is, the final painting of Angel, the fairy dog mother. She's got her little fairy crown and fairy wand. Her tail is keeping her flying high. Her wing ears are angelic and celestial. She's an adorable pup who is watching over Lavender and has the greatest loyalty of all. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tune in in to what we have going on. And remember, you are magical, so shine on.